In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple songs on Spotify. By the end, you'll know exactly what's possible on mobile and how to take full advantage of multi-selection on desktop for faster playlist management. Let's start with mobile. Right now, Spotify on phones and tablets doesn't support selecting multiple songs at once. That means there isn't a way to highlight several tracks together to move or remove them in one action. Still, you can add or remove songs one by one, which works well for quick tweaks. To add songs on mobile, open the Spotify app and head to your library. Choose a playlist that you can edit. Note that some playlists, like certain editorial or algorithmic ones, won't let you make changes. Inside your editable playlist, tap Add Songs. From here, browse recommendations or use the search bar to find a specific track. When you see something you want, tap the plus or add button next to the song. Repeat that for each track you want to include. Take your time and preview tracks if needed so you only add what fits your vibe. To remove songs on mobile, open the same playlist and tap Edit. You'll see a minus icon next to each track. Tap the minus beside any song you want to remove, and it will disappear instantly from that playlist. This action doesn't delete the song from Spotify, it just removes it from that specific list, which is helpful if you're refining a theme or trimming duplicates. Now, let's move to desktop, where Spotify does support true multi-selection. Open Spotify on your computer and go to a playlist. If you want to pick individual songs that aren't next to each other, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each track you want. You'll see them all highlighted as you go, which makes it easy to curate a custom set of tracks. If you want to select a continuous block of songs, click the first track in the range, hold the Shift key, and then click the last track. Everything in between will be selected automatically. This is perfect for moving a chunk of songs, reordering sections, or tidying large playlists much faster than doing it one by one. A quick reminder, once multiple songs are selected on desktop, any playlist action you take will apply to the whole selection. That's the main advantage of using a computer for deeper playlist edits. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials.